Hey guys, welcome to Street Squad Garage. It's Levi here. Just thought I would show you some of my projects I've got. I'm going to be working on this today. Going to try a new style this year, maybe do some more vlog videos like this. See if you guys like it. So let's get started. So I've just had it wrapped black by Jamie from Wrapt FX. I'll put a link to his page so you can check out some of his work. He does a really good job, and you see it's kind of a metallic black. Looks killer in the sunlight. But as you can see, something's missing here. So that's what I'm trying to do today. I've got overfenders, which have never been fitted on this car before, so I'm going to try and figure out how to fit them on the car. So that should be interesting. Let's see how we go. So I've drilled holes along the panel already, which have been covered up by the wrap, but to access them I'm going to have to get to the back of the metal, the panel, because I've got some bolts to put into it. So I'm going to have to put nuts behind them to attach them, so I'm going to have to take all the interior paneling off. So let's start on that. As you can see, I've taken out the rear seat, so just 4 bolts. Done this many times on my Skylines. And now to get into the panels off. Yay, more screws. I'm gonna have to open this panel. Big boy toys. Now, ooh, spider webs in here. Ah, I found one. There's one hole there. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like might have to take the seatbelt out for the other one. Cool. Now I've just got some of this rubber stripping that I got from Clark Rubber. I'm going to use that to put behind the panel. So I've just cut out some strips to go along the edge before I bolt it down onto the car. To keep it in place while I'm playing around with it, I'm just going to use some of this spray adhesive so it gets sticky and just sticks to the back of it, and then I can stick them on like a sticker. That should hold me in place while I'm bolting the panel down. It says to let it dry for 5 minutes and it should get tacky, and then I can stick it onto the back. So there, I've stuck it on now. Hopefully that does the job. Now to put it on the car. And I've just used this belt hole making tool to make the holes in the rubber where the bolts are going to go. So I've started putting the first few bolts on. So that's what it looks like with the panel on. Bit more coverage of the back wheels. I'm using these dress up washers and bolts to put them on. Got them from Big Boy Imports. Found them online. Was looking for dress up bolts. I think the Japanese writing on them, I think it says import. That's what I've been told by the website. But yeah, I thought I'd just make a feature of the bolts rather than try and hide them, because it's going to be obvious anyway. So yeah, now I just got to figure out getting the rest of the bolts on. I think I may have a bit of an issue with the bottom bolt here, because I don't think I can access that from behind, so I may have to use some kind of clip like what they use on the side skirts on the fenders, where I push something into the hole so it can grab. So I'm going to have to go to the shop and find something that works for that. So I'm going to continue trying to bolt this on. So there we go. Got the top ones on. Just going to have to sort out a longer bolt for that bottom one, because it's a bit further out. Didn't quite make it, so I found something else. And I have to sort out something for this corner, but that gives an idea of what it looks like for now. So I hope you liked that video. If you do, a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, press the subscribe button, and see you next time. Bye.